Hello, it's Willie and Anna with the Garcia team. We're here in the city of Whittier, our favorite city. We're out visiting our favorite eateries, our favorite restaurants, and today we are at Casa del Cocinero in the city of Whittier. They serve Mexican, authentic, fresh food, and we're here with Chef Santi of Casa del Cocinero.
Yes.
He's an amazing chef. Everything's done fresh. We're gonna ask Chef Santi, tell us a little bit about the type of foods, qué tipo de comida hacen aquí.
Pues, básicamente es comida tradicional mexicana, todo se hace from scratch, no usamos latas. Nuestro platillo más vendido es el molcajete.
So el molcajete, todo es hecho, everything is freshly made, and I think that's one of the reasons why so many people come to this restaurant, because they make handmade tortillas, the molcajetes.
Ya, básicamente el molcajete viene con flat meat, es de mejor calidad, carne ranchera, chicken breast, le ponemos chorizo, nosotros hacemos nuestro propio chorizo aquí, de receta familiar.
So he makes his own chorizo here at the restaurant.
Chile verde es de los favoritos también de la gente.
So
Enchiladas, la gente les encantan las enchiladas.
Enchiladas are awesome.
Y la mayoría de los clientes no se van sin comer su queso fundido con tortillas hechas a mano.
So there's a plate here called queso fundido. Tell us, ¿qué es eso?
Básicamente es en una piedra volcánica y la calentamos y le ponemos queso, chachis y el chorizo que va arriba, que para hacerlo es básicamente chorizo hecho en casa.
So it's a homemade cheese.
It's very good.
In a hot boiling, it's like a rock, like a lava rock. It's very hot. It's melted with homemade tortillas. It's amazing.
So we have a happy hour going on pretty much Monday through Thursday all day long.
That's very cool.
And then we have Wednesdays $5 mangoneadas, which is pretty much a mango margarita blended. It comes with chamoy and tajin rim, and it's delicious.
And their micheladas are amazing. And so are their margaritas. So don't forget, folks, to come out here to Whittier. It's Casa del Cocinero. Look them up on Yelp. Easy to find. The best Mexican food in the city. We'll see you soon.